at the laundrette today, so we're here to get some clothes washed. Yeah, one A and B. So thanks to Honey and Dominic, we have this carrier which we use to bring our dirty laundries.
You want conditioner? No need lah.
I don't need. Okay. It is still storming outside. Can we recognize whose is whose? Should be okay, huh? Close? No, you need to put the money first. There's our hotel. It's still drizzling. It had rained the whole day. We kind of like rested the whole afternoon. It's close to evening time. We are off to Saint-Germain to meet up with another friend. They are in Paris right now, so we're going to catch up with them and have dinner. This is the tiny lift. So small.